If you're looking to keep your projects profitable, mastering time budgets is a game changer. In this video, we'll walk through how to use time budgets effectively to ensure your projects stay on track and under budget, making sure you don't waste valuable resources. Stick around until the end because I'll also give you access to a free trial of the software we're using today, exclusive to my viewers. First, let's dive into what a time budget is. A time budget is essentially an allocation of hours or days for each task or phase of a project. Think of it as a financial budget, but for time. It's crucial because without it, you risk spending more time than necessary on tasks, which can lead to missed deadlines, unhappy clients, and reduced profits. Now, to keep your projects profitable, you need to do a few things. The first step is clearly defining project goals and timelines. This gives you a structure and helps you estimate how much time each phase will take. Whether it's a marketing campaign, software development, or even an event, having a clear timeline helps you allocate time effectively from the start. Next, break down your project into smaller tasks. This is critical for accuracy. Instead of saying, I'll need 50 hours for the whole project, break it down into detailed tasks like research, development, review, etc. This helps you pinpoint where your time goes, making it easier to spot any potential time wasters. Once you've broken the project into tasks, estimate how long each one will take. This is where experience and data from past projects come in handy. Don't just guess. Look at previous similar tasks and use that data to inform your time estimates. The more accurately you can forecast the time needed, the easier it is to stick to your budget. But we know things don't always go as planned, so track your progress in real time. If you're spending more time than you expected on a task, make adjustments. Time budgets are dynamic, meaning you need to check in on them regularly. If something's taking longer than anticipated, reassess the next phase and reallocate time accordingly. A great way to manage this tracking is by using Toggl time tracking software. This software helps you log hours spent on each task and project, and it provides visual reports that show you exactly where your time is going. We'll be using a software today that makes this process simple and easy to follow, and I'll link to an exclusive free trial for you in the description below if you want to follow along. Now, stay flexible. With your time budgets, projects evolve and unexpected issues arise. So while a time budget sets the initial framework, you need to adapt as things unfold. Being able to quickly shift resources and time allocation will keep your project on track and help prevent it from going over budget. Finally, review and refine your time budgets after the project ends. This is one of the most important steps. Take a look at what worked and what didn't, and use that knowledge to make future projects more efficient. With each new project, your time budgeting skills should improve, and you'll get better at estimating tasks and sticking to deadlines. So, the key takeaway from today is simple. Using time budgets is essential to keep your projects profitable. Set clear goals, break down tasks, track your time, and adjust as needed. This method will help you stay on track and ensure your projects remain within the budgeted time, maximizing efficiency and profitability. And don't forget, for a more seamless experience, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we used in this video, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.